This video is going to discuss conditional formatting in Google Sheets. Once you have logged into Google Chrome and you're in your Warren County Google account, you can click on New and Google Sheets. So this is a brand new Google Sheet. I do not have any data in here, but if I have uh, a spreadsheet of all kinds of different grades from different projects from my class, or if it's information from a Google form, I can use conditional formatting to help visualize and I can see things a little bit clearer. So first you want to hit Command A or select all. This will, when we choose our conditional formatting, will format every cell on our spreadsheet. We're going to go to Format and go down towards the bottom, Conditional Formatting. So there's different options that you can choose to format. As you can see here, it has applied the full sheet since I hit Command A to select all. So we're going to check out if it is less than or equal to. There are multiple different rules that you can set up, and you can set multiple rules in the same Google Sheet as well. So let's just choose this one, less than or equal to. So let's say I want to make sure I can visually see all the F's or a specific grade or a range even you can choose. But let's say less than or equal to 59, and we are going to change the fill color to a red. That will help me see that very easily, and then I can click done. If we want to add another rule, we can choose greater than or equal to 60, and let's make this just a yellow for now, and then click done. So again, nothing has happened yet because I don't have any data on my sheet, but if I were to start plugging in some numbers, let's do 72, it's changed to yellow. 99 is yellow. Let's try 59. It has changed it to red. So you get the idea. Anything, depending on what I set for the rule, will change the fill color. You can also use this resource with students for pixel art. So let's delete everything that we have here, format, conditional formatting, and we're going to delete these rules. And let's add some more rules. So if it is equal to 1, we're going to change it to a green. Let's add another rule. If it is equal to a 2, we're going to change it to red. And then let's do one more. If it is equal to 3, we're going to change it to black and hit done. So we have our 3 rules. You can change the size of these cells by highlighting it and changing the size if you want them to look different. So your students can create some pixel art. They can just start typing in numbers and they can make some artwork with pixels in Google Sheets.